Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FTNW. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice price movement today, and not only price movement, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So crazy price movement, and then you had all this volume. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support, nothing fancy behind other than the fact that this is where the price finally stopped bleeding today, and that was right here around $2.25. Yeah, I realize the price did technically go slightly below it, but as far as kind of just the general and main point of price congestion right around here, I think we can all agree that 225, give or take a few cents, was indeed where the buyers finally stepped up with enough force to prevent the price from going further down anymore. So again, 225, that initial level of support going into Wednesday. In the event the price cannot hold above that area, the next immediate area to turn your attention to would be that purple line there, the 50 period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, and I say that because yes, right now the value is at $1.52, but as Wednesday and the remainder of the week play out, that line is going to change and move. So therefore that value is going to move. So you are going to have to be a little bit more proactive with it in terms of kind of taking an inventory check and seeing exactly what the value is. However, to be fair, so far so good. 225 is doing a good job of holding strong. But again, if that doesn't hold up, then the next key overall level of support to keep an eye on would be that 50 period moving average. Now, in the event this is some sort of bottom forming here and the price starts to turn back up around, where are some of these areas of resistance at? In terms of sellers, initial group right here at $2.65. If 265 can be broken, the next overarching level right up there around the $3.34 mark. But again, before we start talking about doing battle and breaking up above the 335 mark, the price first has to prove itself in the shorter run, and I'm quantifying prove itself once more as not only getting up above 265 but staying up above it. So all in all, crazy movement, very volatile on the day. We'll see if the bulls can kind of turn things around the remainder of the week. The week is still young, 3 days left. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.